How to copy Binance wallet address. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can copy Binance wallet address. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you will need to locate your Binance app and then open it up. After you open up your Binance app, make sure you're logged into your account. After you've logged in, what you'll then need to do is head over to the asset section at the bottom right. After you're there, you'll either find a deposit option or add funds. Tap on either one. Then you can choose on-chain deposit from here. And now you can finally select a coin. I'll just select USDT. And after that, select a network. So I'll just select BNB Smart Chain. And after you do that, you'll find the deposit address right there. So since my account is not verified, I don't have an address, but for you, your address should be available right there. You can copy the address and you're good to go. And that's how you copy Binance wallet address. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. If you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.